10 tips. How to fall asleep better. Foods for sleep. Best temperature for sleep. What habits to give up. 4-7-8 technique to fall asleep fast. 1. Make sure your bedroom is comfortable, quiet, and dark. Choose a mattress, sheets, and pillows that you find comfortable. Environmental factors like light and sound can interfere with your sleep quality, so if needed, use an eye mask and earplugs to limit light and noise. 2. Adjust the temperature to a cooler setting. The ideal sleep temperature is often somewhere from 60 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, but this can vary widely from person to person. 3. Be consistent with your sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and get out of bed at the same time each day. This can improve sleep quality because it helps you establish a habit and get in sync with your internal clock. 4. Cut back on caffeine products like coffee, energy drinks, and chocolate. The stimulating effects of products like caffeine can take up to 8 hours to wear off. Substances like nicotine and alcohol can also interfere with sleep quality. 5. Avoid big meals and drinking too much water before bed. If you eat too much, your sleep might be affected by indigestion. Similarly, drinking too much water or other fluids can lead to waking up in the night to use the bathroom. 6. Avoid long late afternoon naps that may interfere with your sleep schedule. Naps might be handy in fighting off fatigue, but try to limit them to 15 to 20 minutes. Otherwise, they can also leave you feeling groggy. 7. If you're not tired, get up. If you're finding it difficult to get to sleep, don't just lie there worrying. Get up for a while. Try reading for a little while and go back to bed when you feel a bit sleepier. 8. Tech-free bedtime. Be mindful of the presence of gadgets and electronics, such as computers, phones, tablets, and TVs. The backlit blue light displays suppressed melatonin production, the hormone that helps you sleep. The suppression of melatonin causes sleep disruption. You should stop using these devices 2 hours before you go to sleep to reduce their impact on your sleeping. 9. Almonds are a source of the hormone melatonin, which regulates your internal clock and signals your body to prepare for sleep. One study examining the effects of feeding rats 400 milligrams almond extract found that the rats slept longer and more deeply than they did without consuming almond extract. 10. Deep breathing to de-stress. Try the 4-7-8 deep breathing approach to fall asleep. Emptying the lungs of air. Breathing in quietly through the nose for 4 seconds. Holding the breath for a count of 7 seconds. Exhaling forcefully through the mouth, pursing the lips, and making a whoosh sound for 8 seconds, repeating the cycle up to 4 times. I wish you sweet dreams and thank you for subscribe.